Hello! Today I am going to show you how to generate new app password in Gmail. First, log into your Gmail account. Go to Profile and hit on Manage your Gmail account. Click on Security tab. Scroll down and make sure your two-step verification is turned on, then only you will see the option to generate app password. Click on it and verify your account with password. Type two-step verification, passcode, then Next. Select your choice, mail, contact, calendar, etc., and device. Press on the Generate button. Copy and save the code, then click on Done. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.